everyone. I'm sorry I can't be making videos for a while, which you already know in my other videos. I have this terrible cough, and that's the reason why I haven't been making too many videos. So, there's going to be like videos like a month from now, but still.
Huh. What's it called? Do you know?
Something about Mystic Lake.
What?
So, I'm sorry that you guys won't be seeing videos from me, but
It's kind of blue on the front.
I'm glad.
Yeah, that's like,
Yeah, no, I didn't see that.
So, I'll try
Yeah,
to
I
upload
didn't see
every
that
week.
book. I saw a different one.
well,
So-
I had a part of it. That part ripped out of it.
Please subscribe,
Yeah, no.
Are you starving?
notification bell, like all the rest of my videos. This one probably sucks, but
Okay.
Okay.
bye.